Now, Narcotics Bureau arrested comedian Bharti Singh after she confessed to consuming ganja. The comedian, along with her husband Harsh, were grilled by the NCB sleuths with regards to ganja, which was found during the raids at her house. Bharti Singh will be produced in court tomorrow. Hear more for the details.
Bharti Singh, the queen of comedy on the small screen.
आप कौन? Excuse me. मुझे नहीं बचाना.
One of the most successful comedians in the country. Her comic timing, body language and spontaneous skits have the audience in splits.
मैं पता नहीं, मतलब क्यों मैं इतनी cute हूँ.
But the comedian who makes millions laugh is now in trouble. The actor was arrested by Narcotics Control Bureau after agency said she and her husband Harsh Limbachia confessed to consuming ganja.
Arjun Rampal was questioned, Gabriela was questioned, after which Bharti Singh's residence has been raided and ganja was recovered from her residence. Bharti Singh has been placed under arrest and NCB sources say that the crackdown will go on as per information received from their sources.
On Saturday morning, the NCB raided her residence in Mumbai and her production office as well and recovered a small quantity of cannabis. While entering the NCB office, Bharati said she was simply called for questioning.
भारती कुछ कहेंगे आप?
अरे कुछ नहीं भाई, पूछताछ के लिए लाए हैं, बस पूछताछ के लिए लाए हैं.
आपके पर आरोप लगे क्या क्या ड्रग्स?
अरे नहीं यार,
किसने आपको पूछताछ यहाँ पे लाया? भारती
बताते हैं भारत.
This time, the NCB hasn't merely relied upon WhatsApp chats, which brought Bollywood biggies into the limelight. Bharti could be in deep trouble as banned substances have been recovered from her house and NCB claims to have a confession as well. The agency is now on the lookout of more drug peddlers in an attempt to unravel the drug nexus which has snared the tinsel town. With Pankaj Upadhyay and Divyesh Singh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Divyesh Singh joining us live from Mumbai. Divyesh, Bharti Singh has been arrested. It appears that she's admitted to have consumed ganja and there's a little bit of little ganja that was found at her residence as well. The quantity of which now is yet to be established, but about 85 odd grams. And for her to be admitting that she's consumed it, what kind of punishment will that result in? And she's supposed to be appearing before court tomorrow. What do you think are her chances of getting bail?
Nabila, Bharti Singh and her husband Harsh Limbachia have confessed to have consumed cannabis, ganja, which was found at their residence. They were grilled to know who was the person who helped them procure this particular drug, who was the peddler who supplied this particular drug. Harsh is right now being questioned behind me at the exchange building where the NCB office is located. Bharti Singh will be lodged at the same office throughout the night, and tomorrow morning she'll be produced in court. Though they have confessed to consumption, if a consumption case has been registered against both of them, against Bharti and Harsh, the sentence could be up to 3 years, up to 1 to 3 years maximum, and she could also secure bail from the court. Court can also grant her bail if she agrees to go for a rehabilitation and tells court that she would not consume drugs henceforth. Only if she is found consuming drugs later, serious charges could be added in the same case against her.
Right.
As
Divyesh,
of now,
it's going to be interesting to
NCB
see what
sources
happens tomorrow as she's going to be produced before court. Bharti Singh has been arrested. She's going to spend her night today the custody of the NCB.
Icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.